Hey guys, Joe Borio with Cooking Italian with Joe. We are in the market day. It's the third Thursday. Every 3 Thursdays they have the market. It's awesome. It's fun. We came in through the backside because it was so crazy busy, but I want to show you what this looks like. It's a lot of fun. Whatever you need, whatever's going on. I always laugh because they have so much stuff from New York here, which is great. Certainly a great place for flowers. And this goes on for like a half of a mile. I mean, it's non-stop. Whatever you can think about. So there's vendor booth after vendor booth, and they got everything here. So clothes, food, tools, you name it, and the town's alive. So you can't even get a parking spot, and you can't even get a coffee, because everywhere you can imagine is taken up by the market. Now this is the clothing district. So you got basically for the next block and a half is just shirts, clothes, shoes, socks, you name it. Now we're in the shoe district, so this is just non-stop shoes. This goes on for about 2 or 3 blocks. We're just at the back end of it here. A lot of you guys are asking me pricing. So right here you're about €5. You're losing just under 10 cents. So figure American dollars are about $5.40, give or take. Now guys, we got the fruit stand here, so you're gonna see a bunch of these throughout the market. Okay, we got more clothes, and then this is a mix of everything. Excuse me. This is a mix of everything right here, so you have pretty much anything and everything you can imagine. From clothes, curtains, pillows. Now for the guys and husbands out there, you guys don't want to be going to the market, so you guys just sit here. Often they're playing cards, hanging out. Buongiorno. Having a beer. Yes, it's before noon on Thursday morning here. Now listen, this may not seem like a big deal to you guys, but I just want to show you something. You see that right there? That's a stop for the gate. That would never fly in the United States. So, you know, when you're walking around, you gotta look. Because what's gonna happen is you're gonna catch your toe on that thing, and you're gonna fall down, and everyone's gonna look at you. And that's just the way it is in Italy, man. So we've done the full loop, guys. So just to give you a heads up here, like this just goes on and on and on. And now it's starting to get close to wrap up, and then what happens, they get aggressive. So if you want some really good pricing, you show up about an hour before they finish up. You see how they're starting to put stuff away? And now what you do is now you can wheel and deal, because they don't want to take it back. So you can drop a little bit of the pricing. Just saying, those are a few techniques my dad taught me. We're coming up on what they got left over for food and fish. Some of this is really, really good. Some of it's fresh, some of it not. So you got to be careful, check it out. I've been coming here for I don't know how many years. And I got to tell you, this guy has been here on this corner spot for years. Now we're checking out some food here. We got some porchetta. That looks good right there. That's the best part, that crunchy fat. Oh, that's good. There you go. That's a good way to hit the market there. This guy did stand a chance. We want to thank him for feeding us today. Chicken's going over there. We got the chicken roaster going. Porchetta's hot, so just so you know, it just came out. That's what they're telling us.